Let's initialize the repository first. Git init. Then I will add the remote location so that I can connect to my remote location server. Git remote add origin, and the URL is this. Okay. Now let me create one file. I will create git fun with git.txt file. Hello git users. Now if I see git status, I can see that there is a one untracked file. So let's add this file. Now it's added. Let's see the status again. It's now tracked, but it's not committed yet. So let's commit this file. Git commit -m. M is for message, commit message. My first git file. So it's committed. Now I will push this file to. So if I see the branch is master. So the master branch is got created. I have one file in the master branch. So this is a project for me. So I will move this project to my central repository on GitHub account. So let me push this change. Git push origin master. I need to provide my credential. Okay, so it's pushed. So let's see the Git repository again. Let's refresh this. So you can see now there is a master branch here, and one file is on this repository. So this is example of my project in this repository. Now let me create a new branch. So I will create git checkout -b development branch. If I see the branches again, git branch, you can see there are two branches. Now I will push this branch, git push origin development. Need my credential again. Okay, so if I see the git repository again, I can see there are master branch and then there is a development branch. There are two branches with same code. So as per the presentation, if you see, we created a main repository, we have master and development branch. Now what I will do, I will act as a new developer. It's a development developer 2, and I will clone this repository, and I will do some changes in that repository, and then we will go ahead and send a pull request to include that changes to the main repository. So let's go to the next new terminal. So I will make directory. I will create a dev2 directory here. Dev2. Now let me go here, copy this URL, and I will use git clone URL. Okay, now I cloned this URL, this repository. Now let me check Git status. Oh, sorry. I need to go to the repository. Or it's Git demo. So Git status is nothing. If I see file, there is one file available. That is the same file. So what I will do now, I will add one more file. Dev2 added dev2 new file, new git file, git.txt. Hello dev2. Okay, so git status. So this is one untracked file. I don't want to commit this file to development or master branch. I want to create a separate branch and move that branch to our repository. And there I will, as a developer, I will send a merge request to my team lead, where my team lead will review it and then he will approve it and merge it to the master branch. So git checkout -p. I have new feature is a new feature branch. So git, if I say git branch, I will see there is a new feature branch. Now I will add I will commit the file because it's untracked, but it's still untracked. The file is untracked, so let me add this file. Git commit, let me commit this file. I will use dev to added new file, and then I will push this file, push origin new feature. Now I will use dev to user credential, dev -2 okay, so permission to this is denied to dev2. Okay, let's see what happened here. So if you see this repository is access to the development team. Let me go to again. There's a team repository here. Oh, I haven't added this repository. So let me add this repository. It's git demo. So while adding this repository, now every member of this dev team will have access to this repository. So now it should work. Let me clear again. I guess it will fail. It will fail to push to the main repository, and I want to show the error so that you will understand why it's failed. So again, the permission denied error. We added to the repository. We added the repository to main development server, but the repository is still read only. If you see the repository, go to settings, manage access. You can see that it has a developer can access this repository, but they can access only read. So now let me change it to write. Awesome. Now if I will push this again, Rahul dev2 and password. So now it's working. So now it's push to the main repository. So if I go again and see my main repository, it has 3 branches, new feature. And this new feature has a new file, dev2 new git file. Now, so now let's go to PPT again. So we created working directory, we have a new feature. We clone the repository to working and we created a new feature. Now I will push the changes. I will send a merge request to my team lead to review it and then merge it to master branch. So let's start. So go to repository pull request, and then I will also show you how we can restrict that no one can directly approve the pull request. Just click on this new pull request button. You can see this is a master branch. This is the destination. Source will be new feature. It's mergeable. Now you can see, hello Dave, this is new file that you want to add to the master branch. You can see this is one commit, one changes. Now just create the merge request. So dev2 added new file. I can see dev2 changes, dev2 pull request, dev2 new change. I mentioned the name as dev2 new change. Here it's cool thing that we can add people in comment to mention, hey, I added new change, please approve it, right? So the notification will get sent to this team member, and you can assign a viewer here. So in this case, who is the user? Okay, I'm using as admin, so let me go to yeah. So let me add dev2 user as a reviewer. So dev2 is a reviewer of this pull request, and the pull request is sent by Rahul WW India. So let's create a pull request. So now the request is created. It's waiting here in the queue, all pull requests. You can see this. It's if you see this merge pull request, so the same user who created the request can also merge it. So I want to restrict that. So I want it like the person who created the merge request should not accept its own changes. It should be only merge once someone approve that change. Like in this case, developer 2. Once developer 2 approve it, then only this merge pull request button should enable. So let me restrict that. So let's go to settings and go to branches. In branches, you can see branch protection rules. So add one rule here. Require pull request reviewer before merging. Require approval reviewer 1. So at least one approval is required when when you want to approve a merge request. So let me create this. So the rules. Oh, so I want this rule to be applicable on master branch. Okay, so let's create this rule. So the rule is got created. If you go again on pull request, you see you can see that you are no longer able to merge the pull request. An administrator you may still merge this pull request. Okay, because this is the user who created pull request is the administrator. But if the request is get created by dev2, it will not enable this button. So let me go to the dev2 development to user account. So this is developer to user account, and if I go to repository in the organization, I go to repositories, I see pull request, and this is a new pull request that it's assigned to me. Now it's blocked, right? So now what I will do, I will, as a reviewer, I will see file changes here. I will go here and approve this change. Changes look good to me. Okay, then I will submit review. The moment I did, you can see the buttons are enabled now. So you can merge the pull request. Dev2 user can also merge the pull request, and the uh, the admin user also can merge the request now with enable. So this is how in a team, how this is a standard way of merging the changes to master branch. So this is how in industry people review their code changes and then merge it for production release. So we can merge our code on by command as well. We have git merge command. So this git merge command is used to merge the internal feature branches. So suppose if we have a new feature, and if 2 or 3 team members are working together on this new feature, so instead of working on one branch, they can create a separate branch, and they can work on their tasks, and at the end they can merge it together and make it all code. They can move all code on one branch. So let me show that as a demo. So as here, this is admin, this is demo. Okay, so here if I see git branch, I have new feature branch. Let me create git checkout. Let me create new branch -p feature 2. Now if I see branch again, I have 2 branches. I will add I will create new file into second branch, git cat feature 2.txt feature 2, git add, git commit, message. I forgot m message, so it's popping me to give message feature 2. So the message is done. Now git push origin feature 2. This is Rahul Dev 2. Sorry. Okay. Password. Now the second branch is also push. So if I go here again, I can see my branch. There are 3 branches. So if you see in feature 2, I have 3 files. In new feature, I have only 2 files. So what I can do, I can merge new feature. I can merge feature 2 branch in new feature. So to merge it, first I need to check out my new feature branch. Check out new underscore feature. new feature. Yes. So if I see what I'm referring to new feature branch. So now I will do git merge feature 2. It's done. If I go push origin new feature. Okay. So now before I have only 2 files. If I refresh this again, I'll go to new feature. I have 3 files now. So feature 2 is also merged to. So feature 2 is code. Feature 2 code is merged to new feature. So this is how the one if we have a big chunk of feature, with the developers can work together. They can share one branch. They can create their own branch, and they can merge their changes to the shared branch. And that shared branch we can use to send a pull request to the master branch, and that there the code review will be done. So this is how the industrial best practices we follow. So finally, I want to share some good document to work with Git. So this is a Git Pro document, Git Pro book. I find it very helpful. You guys can download it or can go through, read online. There are a lot of online. There are a lot of commands and features you can understand using this Git Pro book. Apart from that, I'm sharing some useful link in the description that can also help you to understand Git. So that's all for this session. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed, please like, share, and subscribe this channel.